Hello friends, today we will see what is HTML Favicon. So let's start. Favicon is a small image. Favicon is a small image displayed in the web browser. Here, this is the image, small image. This is called as the Favicon. You can use any image you like as your Favicon. And you can also use these websites for www.favicon.cc. Using this website, you can create your own favicon, and favicon image is displayed in the left side. Always, favicon image always display in the left side of the browser. Okay, and here in the head tag, in the HTML head tag, we can write favicon. Okay, link rel icon type is the image and href. In the href, here is the image path. Image I have display image name as a favicon.png. Okay, this image is displayed in my assets folder, image folder. Favicon link always write in the head tag, and this favicon is supported to all browser like Edge, Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Safari, all browser compatible. This is called as the favicon. Thank you.